Hi, we have come up with a new program called Results Improvement Program, which will be a chapter level test. As most of the schools has already completed the syllabus, this program will be very helpful for the students to revise previous chapters. So, this program mainly focuses on zero mobile or digital to the students and zero or negligible efforts by the teacher. So, the teacher will be creating her own question paper from the existing question bank, and later this question paper will be distributed to the students along with the OMR sheet. So, the OMR sheet works in both color and black and white. So, once the student finishes writing his exam, these OMR sheets will be scanned and uploaded in the system where an auto evaluation is done and a digital record is created, which can be later tracked by both admin and teacher. Once a digital record is created, an SMS notification will be sent to the parent mobile number. So, now I'll be showing you the process of how this can be achieved. Once you log into the system with username and password, we need to go to My Test and then select Test Repository. So here, the teacher will be creating the question paper from the existing question bank. So once the question paper is created, this can be downloaded by clicking on document download option. So this downloaded document will be later distributed to the student along with the OMR copy. So once the student finishes writing his exam, the OMR copies will be scanned and uploaded in the system. So to upload the OMR copies, we need to go to schedule tests and then click on upload OMR zip. So from here, the teacher can upload the OMR copies. So once this is done, then the result will be auto evaluated and digital record will be created. So a digital record will be created of all the students who have taken the test. So later, to send a notification to the parent, we need to click on send notification icon. By this, the result of that particular student will be sent to the parent's mobile number. So this absolutely needs zero effort by the teacher. So a leaderboard will be generated where the teacher can track the performance of all the students. Thank you.